In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automations in Asana. Automations can immensely improve your productivity by streamlining repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open the specific project board in Asana where you plan to implement your new rules and automated actions. You can find your projects easily on the left sidebar of the Asana interface, so navigate there and select the appropriate board. Once you're in the correct project board, look toward the top right section of your project screen. Here you'll see a button labeled Workflow. Go ahead and click on that. This action will bring up the workflow options for your project. Now, from the menu that appears, select the Rules option. This will grant you access to the automation framework specifically designed for your board. Setting up automation can seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry, we'll walk through it together step by step. You'll notice an Add button once you access the Rules section. Click on that, and you'll enter a space where you can create or select new automation rules. At this point, you have a couple of choices. You can opt for a pre-configured template if you see something that fits your needs, or if you want to tailor it to your specific workflow. There's also the option to create a custom rule from scratch. For now, let's go with creating one from scratch to give you full control. Next, you need to define the specific trigger for your automation. The trigger is essentially the condition that will kick off your automated actions once it's met. Think of a trigger like when a task is moved to a specific section or when a due date is approaching. Choose a trigger that will make sense for the tasks you manage. After setting your trigger, the next step is to specify the automated actions that should occur immediately as a result. This part is where the magic happens. You'll be designing what tasks should happen once your trigger condition is met. For example, you might want a new task to be created or a notification to be sent to a specific team member. Get creative and think about what would save you the most time. Now that you've established both the trigger and actions, make sure to assign any necessary variables and values to ensure the rule performs its intended task correctly. This could involve designating particular tasks, team members, or custom fields that are relevant to your automation. Once you've set everything up, you'll want to make your automation live. To do this, simply click the Publish button located in the top right corner of the screen. And voila, your automation is now ready. Before you wrap up, it's a smart idea to test the automation on your board. This way, you can verify that everything is functioning smoothly and as you expected. Go ahead and observe how the automation reacts when the trigger condition is met. Finally, take a moment to check your results. Isn't it satisfying to watch your hard work streamline your projects? If you followed along, congratulations! You've now successfully created automation in Asana. This will help free up time for you and your team, allowing everyone to focus on more impactful work. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.